What's this video about? Hey, the other day I fixed this door here. If you haven't watched that, you might want to watch that. It's on an exterior door. The door was sagging a little bit and I had lots of different things to do on it, and they even had different types of hinges. I got it all done. Momi was all happy and stuff, and she said, yeah, but now you can fix the other door. And I'm like, the other door? What are you talking about? The other door. Oh, let's see here. The other door on the deck. Look at that. Same type of door. Same type of door as this one. This door swung in. And for some reason, they've got this door and it's swinging out. I have no idea why they would want to swing this out from inside the house. Most of the time, your exterior doors to your house, well, like this, swing in. This one doesn't. She said it's hanging up, so I unlocked it, and now I'm gonna try it. It's rubbing. It's rubbing on the bottom, just a little, and everything else seems. Oh, yeah. See. I gotta push kind of hard on that. Everything else seems kind of okay on it. Let's see here. We've got the weather stripping on the outside of the door. Let's see if it locks okay. Oh, and this one you gotta pull up on this. Okay, that looks fine. I think she's just saying about that. See, it's been rubbing down here, and you can see that. And that's all it is. Let's just take a quick look at this door. With that rubbing, that tells me the whole door has sagged a little bit off of this hinge. But when I look at this door, you see the gap here? It's not that bad, is it? The gap actually looks really good, but it has sagged. I can see up here it sagged just a little bit, not a whole lot. The gap should be about the same as that. I go across, see how it gets much bigger over here. Well, that should mean that this door should almost be rubbing this door jamb, but it's not. Look how big the gap is. So if I were to raise the door up, this gap's going to be even bigger. Well, that's because whoever installed this door, they didn't do a very good job on it, did they? I got enough room. See, here's the little side bits that stick out, and it's not rubbing on the bottom of this pin, is it? And down there it's fine. It's just the bottom. And wow, let's take a look at that. That's heavy gauge plastic right there. And usually they have feelers on the bottom of here. See this one here, there's a feeler, but there's not much, and it's actually rubbed right off, hasn't it? And the rest of this door bottom shoe is hard plastic, and that's what's been rubbing on there. And so I'm going to make a determination here, and see, these are those type. This is that same type of hinge. See how it's notched out there on all the hinge locations. See that? So you can make adjustments on there. And see right there, upside down, it says use hand screwdriver for this screw right there. And see, there's another one. Same thing down here. Right there, there's an adjustment on there to kind of raise, pull the door in and out. You tighten up the screw, and then that makes that a little looser. The gap there different, and then that would suck the door over towards the hinge more. Unscrew it out, and it would push the door, actually, this door edge here away that way a little bit, and that would raise this up a little bit. But see, if I raise it too much, it's almost hitting this little weather stripping. That's kind of slick. They put a little piece of weather stripping here specifically for that, to fill in the gap there. See, they did the same thing over there. Most times you don't see that on doors. This particular one's got it. Okay? So what I could do is raise this door edge, and that'll take this, move it over, which would raise it up, and I've got enough room there. And see, here I can't really, I don't know how much of that I could suck that way much more. And so I could do that. What else could I do on this door to fix it? Because even though it's okay, it's hitting the bottom. I could take a file. I could maybe take a file on that hard plastic. Down there, it's kind of hard to see it. And maybe rasp that off a little bit. And I can tell it was hitting, see where it's been rubbing on here, and it only starts about right there. And we know that because when we close this, that's about where it starts, right there. So a few different things I can try on this door, right? If I didn't want to mess with the hinges at all, I could try to shave that. It is pretty heavy plastic, and that could take a while to rasp that off. I don't know if I could. I don't know if I even want to mess with that, because see, there's two heavy plastic bits, this and this outside one. Now that outside one probably is not on. See, I don't think the outside one is rubbing any. It's actually on the bottom, and I don't think see, I don't want to sand that off or anything like that. So I'll get my thinking cap on, see what I can do, see if I can. I'm going to try to see what I can do with these hinges first. I guess I better get my nail bag on and get going with this, but that's what I've got to fix. You want to stick around and see how I go about fixing this and whether or not I can even fix it. Stick around and watch this video. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.